Hi guys, it's Sunday. I don't know if you can hear, but there's a lot of noise outside. That's why we've been filming a little less than usual. It's just hectic all the time, just noise all the time, even on Sundays. So it's really hard to film anything here in the office. So yeah, so I'm just, we sold a few interesting items. We're also trying to sell some stuff locally. We're gonna move at the end of this month. We're gonna move somewhere close, but still, we got a lot to pack. We got like 12 pallets of items, besides the items that we have on shelving units, and besides here the office, which is, I mean, we got a lot of stuff in the past couple of weeks. So I'm trying, first time I'm trying to sell something locally. We're using statesales.net. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. And basically that's it. I wanted to show you some stuff that we sold over the weekend, but I'm probably gonna do this from home because, as you can hear, there's a lot of noise. We had 18 items going out from yesterday only, and I already packed everything. That's it. I'm gonna go home in a few minutes probably, and I'll try to show you what we sold during the weekend. I wanted to show you more as I pick the items and pack them, but the noise is just impossible. So I'll show you what we sold. Also, I wanted to show you that we got a box of different action figures, and I said it looks like WWE or something like that, but it's not. Those are, if I'm not mistaken, Thundercats and He-Man, and what else we got? Skeletor, right? The He-Man. So I mean, a lot of action figures that I actually don't know nothing about. I don't know what's going on here. So basically I did a little online searching, because I never had those before. Never had action figures. I did have He-Man's, I think it was the Battle Cat, new in the box, and we sold it for like $350 or something like that. So those figures, honestly, I don't know where they're from. Like, I know He-Man, I know, and maybe those are Thundercats, Simpsons, yeah, that's not a, and Wonder Woman, but I looked online and those go for like 30, 40 bucks. This I don't know how you call it, like armor alone goes for like 20 or something, and there are a lot of similar, or not similar, but a lot of He-Man stuff. This is Karate Kid, I think. Yeah, I need to look closer, like to actually go through every one. They're not in the best shape, but a lot of He-Man and stuff. I don't know if anyone can find something here. Oh, a little Yoda. I don't think they're, oh, they are marked 80s. Well, Star Wars goes for a lot of money. Yeah, Ninja Turtles, and what else? Random stuff. Yeah. So I don't know if it's good or not yet. I just found a few, which is they go for a pretty nice penny, and we got those electronics. Those are Nakamichi. I think we have 3 Nakamichi, 1 Philips, and they all go for around $100 each, more or less, 150, something like that. And the big money item, the Sony VCR, it doesn't work. The power doesn't work. So I'll do a little more investigating and maybe I'll get it working. So those are the items we got from the last sourcing trip we did. And that's it. I'm gonna show you what we sold on eBay. I also forgot to mention one of the Nakamichi devices. I think it was the tuner. It came with a remote, and this remote alone, I think just the offers right now are about $75, which is almost the same as the item itself, the device itself. It's Nakamichi RM, what is it, 2TA. That's the remote control only, and it works. So this alone goes for, I'll say $55 to $75, which is just crazy. We sold the remote for $115 already, which is crazy. But we found the last, I don't know, 2 years, we found some really like nice remotes that sell for $30, $40, which is easy to pack and easy to ship, you know, first class. Really good money makers, and you can get them all the time at garage sales for like $1 or $2. It's worth it all the time. When I see Sony remotes or something like that, I always grab them for the $1. It's worth it. So that's, you gotta be on the lookout for those. So I wanted to show you what we sold over the weekend. We sold this action figure, Stranger Things action figure we got from an auction house. We paid less than $1 for it. It was in a big lot of action figures. I sold it for almost $13. We got a Hummel lamp, and we sold already like 5 of them. We sold 3 of them this weekend. So we sold 3, $25 each one. They weigh less than an ounce basically, and we got them from the last not the last one, 2 sourcing trips ago. We got a big box of Gobo items. So the camels we sold recently, those lamps were a part of it. Earthworm Jim, N64 game, a local lead that we had. We bought a bunch of video games. That's part of it. We bought everything for 550, I think. So this is just one game. We're almost out of the games. We sold them all. Also a part of the same lot, Game Boy games. This is the case. We sold for $15. We sold 2 Star Trek collectible cards. This one we sold for $45, and this one we sold for full price, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe $5 less, for this, to the same guy. Also from an auction house, we bought a lot of cards. Also an auction house, Lalique, really nice figures to look for. I think we paid $40 and we sold it, that's not the price, we sold it for $120 and shipping. Another Hummel from the same box, 15 and 8 shipping. Those are really pristine condition Hummels. This is an online arbitrage we did. We got a few of them for really cheap. Sold 2 5-packs and another 5-pack. We sold one for $15 and one for double the price, obviously. Another small game, Game Boy, from the same lot, the same video game lot from our last sourcing trip. Another Baccarat, it's called. First time we have those. One sold instantly after we listed it, and this one sold a couple of days later. And I think we still have another one, an elephant, I think. Again, auction house, Sin City action figure, Gale. It's pretty nice. It took a long time to sell though. 25 bucks. Two laser discs. Just random movies. This one and this is new and sealed. Just two random laser discs. This is we got this a long time ago, over a year, and we've been just selling throughout the year. Here and there, like every week we sell one laser disc and we make like $5 out of it. So from this deal alone, I think we made over $10,000, and we paid $700 for basically a van full of stuff, but we had some crazy stuff in it. Yeah, just a guy that passed away, and he was just a hoarder, and he was rich, so it was good for us. Everything was basically new. We also sold HP tuners. We have about 25. I know it says only 6 available, but we have about 25. We bought 20. I'm sorry, we bought 20 and we sold 4. Online arbitrage type of deal. We got them for 10 bucks. 10 bucks each. We sold already 4. So yeah, they've been selling pretty good. I don't think we listed them long time ago, like last week maybe. So it's all good. It's going good. So this is what we sold on eBay on Saturday. Sunday very slow. We sold 1 item, but it's still half a day left. So hopefully we'll get better. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one.